No, everything's been alright. There's been a few more odd bits put online and things like that, but...
Alright, okay. Aye, fair enough. Yeah, well, I'm obviously just ringing you back with an update with your application. So, first off, can you just reconfirm for me your date of birth first? Great, okay. And can you just reconfirm for me the name of the person who you made the application about?
It's John Wason.
Great, okay. So I'm ringing to tell you that we've carried out checks under Clare's law. There's no information to share with you under the Clare's law scheme, okay? So there is no domestic violence convictions or cautions to share with you, and there's also no convictions that pertain to children either, okay?
Thank you.
Now, just to confirm, obviously, the Clare's law process provides you with a formal opportunity for you to contact the police in order to make a request for info about a named person who you're in a relationship with. And in the event that this person has any convictions or cautions for domestic violence related matters, careful considerations given to disclosing that information. And disclosure can also be given if there's other information suggesting that the individual could pose a risk of harm to you whilst they're in a relationship with you. And in relation to the inquiry that you've made and from the info that you provided to the police and the checks made on those details, we can confirm that in line with that criteria, there's no information to share with you. Okay. Now, although there's no information to share with you, obviously, you must remain vigilant when you indicate as a person could pose a risk of harm. And the decision in this case is based on info that's actually available to the police at this point in time. Police are concerned about the risk posed by an individual, and it obviously doesn't mean that this person doesn't have a criminal history, okay? It just means that there is no domestic violence convictions or cautions to share with you. And obviously, you know, if that ever does change or you ever feel like you do wrong, you are at risk of harm.
No, I'm just happy knowing that there's nothing against children and no domestic. So, thank you.
Yeah, so, right, okay, yeah. And obviously, like I said, so if you ever do feel like you're at risk of harm or if you've got anything that is concerning you, you know, you can always just let me know, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Right, is there anything else you want to ask me while you've got us on the phone?
No, I think I've just felt like a big weight lifted there for a little bit. So, thank you.
You know, as you would in a relationship, just keep your wits about you.
Yeah, I will.
Obviously, we can only tell you about no, but obviously, yeah, I mean, we've done the checks under Clare's law, and in terms of that, we've got no convictions of that nature to share with you, okay?
All right, thank you.
No problem. Okay, you take care.
Okay, thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.